Hi, my name is Dr. Justin Martin, and I teach the Analytics Software Technology course in the online MBA program here at Wake Forest University. So it gives you a foundational overview of what programming is and how to apply those concepts using the Python programming language. What I love about teaching the Python programming course is that I'm essentially teaching students an entirely new way of thinking, a new language, if you will. And when those students have those aha moments and they realize the power of programming and what Python can do for them in their careers and in their organizations, that's really just a wonderful experience. The kinds of students that take the Python programming course are students that maybe have some technical experience in programming, but they don't necessarily have to. It's really designed for students with all backgrounds, whether that be a student that has a lot of experience with programming languages or a student that has no experience at all. We take a foundational approach from the ground up to really help to develop those who have programming experience and advance their knowledge conceptually. And then for students that have no experience at all, really introduce them to this topic and allow them to understand how these tools and technologies can be used. I welcome you all to my course in Analytics Software Technology, Python Programming. I look forward to seeing you there.